Hi, I'm Dr. Eric, and today I want to talk about all the different replacement options for a person missing all of their teeth. I also would like to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each of those options. Nowadays, there's basically three options available, and they include traditional glue indentures, snap-in dentures, and full mouth dental implants, otherwise known as all-on-X or all-on-4. Traditional glue indentures, I typically refer to as healing dentures or smiling dentures because they're really not long-term solution, in my opinion. And reason being is they're just not that great when you're eating and speaking, but they do look really nice. Now, they do have a palate, as you can see, and that does affect people's speech to a degree and sometimes their taste. A lot of people don't feel confident speaking because they feel like they may move around on them while they're speaking or chewing. So they're not the greatest option. Now, the bottom is especially hard to get used to because the tongue has to learn to hold it in place. So you do need a lot of glue to help hold it in place so it's not moving while you're swallowing, chewing, and things like that. Because you can see your tongue sits right in the middle, and it's really just difficult to get used to. Now you will take them out, clean them, and soak them in water overnight. Snap-in dentures are a huge upgrade to traditional dentures because it allows us to use dental implants as anchors to hold the denture in place. This is wonderful because it really helps eliminate the issues with the tongue on the bottom denture, so your tongue doesn't have to hold it in place anymore. So it gives your tongue more freedom for speaking, swallowing, things like that. It's also going to have a lot less irritation on your gums because of that reason. Now, the top requires 4 implants because the bone's not as strong on top as it is on bottom, but it does allow you to get rid of the palate and eliminates the need for paste as well, which is huge when it comes to speaking, eating, things like that. As you can see, they all have what's called O-rings or bushings that are replaced approximately every 6 months to basically tighten them back up as they wear out. Full mouth implants are by far my favorite solution for someone missing all their teeth. It's basically 4 to 6 implants placed with a zirconia fixed denture screwed in place. It's going to look, feel, and function just like your own teeth. You're going to care for it basically the same. A few extra instructions given by your dentist. As you can see, there's a special driver that's meant to take it in and out only as needed. And what it is it's basically made of zirconia, which is a puck, and it's cut, then stained and glazed. And because it's one solid piece of zirconia, it's extremely strong, hard to break. It's very small and sleek, so it's really comfortable. And you can see once that final's done, that would screw in place. And what's amazing about it is the strongest material dentistry has to offer currently. So it's comfortable, strong, and beautiful.